Hi there and welcome back to my channel. It's Crafty with Jackie, and today we're getting crafty with a girl named Jackie. For today's craft, I'm going to be drawing using the one-line drawing method. And for this method, you're just going to keep your pen on the paper the entire time and try to link together your whole drawing without lifting it up. And so for this, I'm drawing just my hand holding my pen as I am right here, as you can see. And I really love drawing like this because it helps you visually almost wake up and notice a little bit more around you that you may not have noticed before. So this tip actually came from a Draw Tip Tuesday video by Konage. I'll put her video below in the description. I probably butchered her name, but sorry about that. But I do love her content and love her Draw Tip Tuesdays. It's really helped transform my art and help me get more comfortable with drawing in general. And I think it's so important that as a creative, you need to build your creative confidence. And to do that, it's just simply by showing up and using mediums that challenge you every time you go and draw. And this medium, ink, has truly been challenging. And so I really have been enjoying just letting it go, letting it be a loose drawing. It doesn't have to look good, and that's kind of what makes the drawing fun and gives it a style. It's just about doing what you feel looks best. But I also like to incorporate my 1 2 3 method. The video have already been posted, you can check that out. However, the 1 2 3 method shows by you draw the first subject matter for the first time very loose and quickly, like we just did here. Now we're going to draw it for a second time. And notice how I'm a bit more controlled now. I've already visually taken the time to look at my hand holding the pen. As you can see, even the overall structure and form of my finger and the pen placement is looking better. And again, you're going to try not to lift your pen off the paper and just do it with one continuous line. But as you get to the second and third drawing, you can start to kind of lift as needed. But overall, you can see that the 1 2 3 method just holds true through and through, at least every time I've used it. This method is what I simply do every day, and I love using it. And simply, it's just taking extra time, slowing down once you do a quick run through, and you will notice improvements. Like right here, you can already see there's a bit of an improvement from that first drawing we did. And here I am just kind of filling in those lines and adding in those fingers that are behind the pen as I'm holding it, adding on the nail and just different crease lines to help show that this is a hand drawing a pen. I think I'm about to add in my sleeve here. So have fun with it. Look at what you're drawing. If it's yourself, it's your hand, it's whatever. Just the 1 3 method truly is what I live by, and I swear it's how I've noticed improvement. And so now here I am going in for a third time, and it's such a great exercise before you start your day with any creative project or just in general. It's fun just to get creative and see improvement instantly. And if you do this every day, even for 5 to 10 minutes a day, this video is not even going to be 5 minutes long, and you can already see within less than 3 minutes of drawing, I've already improved. So I guess I did not do a third time, but however, my final piece on here is saying, is this art? You decide in the comments below. Let me know. I hope you guys have a great day and you get crafty. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.